Ready to build your own website without coding? Let's dive into creating a website using Adobe Dreamweaver, a fantastic tool for beginners. First things first, open Dreamweaver and start by creating a new HTML document, which is the foundation of your website. Click File, New, and then select HTML as the document type. Think of this as the blank canvas for your website. Now, you'll see a split screen view. With the design view and the code view, it's great because you can visually build while also seeing the underlying code. In the design view, let's add some basic elements. You can add text by simply typing directly into the design view to make it more visually appealing. You can try adding headings by highlighting the text in the design view and selecting heading 1 from the formatting menu. Want to change the background color? That's easy. Now, we are in the code view. Go to the code view and search for the body tag, then add some basic style inside of the body tag like background color. Now save the file. To do this, click File, then Save. Choose a name to the file, then test your website. Click File, then Preview in browser and select the browser you want to use, and your website should be live. Congratulations, you build your first website with Dreamweaver, and now you're ready to explore more advanced features.